Heat-friendly synthetic is such an amazing option and it's available in so many styles today. The great thing about heat-friendly synthetic is that you can take your favorite curling iron, maybe your favorite flat iron, and you can just create pretty much any look you want. You can mimic your own natural hair texture, you can create some beach waves like mine, or you can make it completely straight, so it's totally up to you. Now, one of the negative things about heat-friendly synthetic, or what some people struggle with, is friction frizz. So what that is when the fibers rub on your clothing, on your neck, there's a lot of body heat, it can create friction frizz. So it ends up looking kind of like matted, maybe split ends. It actually is just the fiber being a little bit frizzy. So a way to repair that is using a boar bristle brush, and you can find them online or at a beauty supply store. So just make sure that the boar bristle brush is 100% boar bristle. When you wash your wig, wash it as usual. Then instead of letting it air dry, you're actually going to blow dry the nape of the neck. And using your boar bristle brush, really brush through and smooth out that hair at the neckline. You may need to focus a little bit more in the neckline area or wherever the damage is located. So just spend a little extra time smoothing that out. Once you get through the entire style, if you still see some damage, take a thin section and just run your flat iron over the hair. That will remove any of the remaining split ends or frizz or damage. So you can actually continue to do that as you wear your heat-friendly synthetic wigs to prolong the life and keep them looking amazing.